I've made it to Bristol in the UK. So I'm picking up the Bailey Phoenix Caravan today. Peugeot have also dropped off their 3008 SUV, which is a different model to what I mentioned before, but beautiful. Just being shown how everything works, and had a tour of the workshop as well, which is just amazing. I was really lucky with my timing, as the Bailey Phoenix Caravans happened to be in production. How it works is they have different stations in the workshop, and each area deals with a different part of the construction, and then the caravan is rolled through. They make it from the inside out. It takes them 2.5 hours to put a caravan together, and they aim to make 100 a minimum a week, which is 20 caravans a day. It's insane. The back and the roof are two parts that curl around the corners, and overall there are 5 outer pieces. They have new outer edging technology which is water resistant, and they call it the Alu-Tech construction technology. Unbelievable to see how the caravans are put together. It's just fascinating watching. Then I was shown how to actually use the caravan.
Yeah, so you've got the master switch there. That's your main lights.
Okay.
That's your awning light.
Oh yeah.
And that's the water pump.
Sure.
In terms of the heating and how all that works, is you've got all your settings there. So if you tick that, and then that controls the heating. So the fridge has different settings. So basically, that's it off at the moment. And then that's for electric hookup.
Yep.
That's for battery, and then that's for gas.
Yep.
So what we would say is leave that around there for around 12 hours when the fridge is first on.
Yep.
Anything between say 8 and 10 will be fine, but then remember to turn it round to about there. Otherwise everything will freeze. Under here we've got
right.
freestanding table.
Yep.
Then you've got the aqua roll.
Yep.
And then you've got the waste master, and then there's your gas locker.
Yep. So your gas bottles are different to ours.
So in terms of using it, you just open the valve and then turn everything on in the caravan, and you've got a gas spanner there as well.
The tow ball needed to be added to the car before I could head off. Did it?
That's it.
That's awesome.
We'll leave it in there.
Yeah.
And it's the first time with this car. Trying to figure out, I don't think I need this, so I just push. There you go, just push a button. Okay, so reverse. How the hell do you go into reverse? Unlock. Okay, I don't know how to put this in reverse. I need to ask for some help, I think. This is too new for me.
Have you started it?
Yep. Oh, no, it wasn't started.
And now it's...
Yeah.
So I didn't actually have it on, that was the problem. Apparently I need to put my foot down on the brake. Okay, now it's on. And then... Okay. It's moving. Oh, I see. Oh, this is different. Whoops. Probably doesn't help that I'm trying to film at the same time. And then I should be able to use my reversing mirror, I guess. Okay, let's see how close I am to the hitch. I need to raise the caravan a little bit more, I think. Fit on the table, but that's good. So far, so good. Yep.
Tail goes in. Give it a twist.
Oh yeah.
That flips over.
Cool. So the differences in the UK, caravanning in the UK compared to New Zealand, is you have to have side mirrors. That's the law when you're towing a caravan, and the number plate has to match the caravan number plate. This is the temporary number plate which goes on the caravan, not the car. See, I'm learning. I'm learning.
And I made it hold 7 minutes down the road to my first campground.